Hello everyone, welcoming you to Sourav Sir's classes. And today we are looking at the IIT JAM 2024 Economics paper, question number 9. So let S1 be the set as mentioned in the question and S2 be the set mentioned in the question. Then which of the following is correct? So the question is about which of the two of S1 or S2 is a convex set or not, right? So if we can just have a graphical view of it first, we just take a quick graph over here. So if I can just write it down, S1 is basically set of all xy such that x plus y greater equals to 1, x plus y less than equals to 2, and y greater than equals to x square in the first quadrant. And S2 is the set of all xy such that x plus y greater equals to 1, x plus y less than equals to 2, and y less than equals to x square. So if you look at the two sets, you will see that the first two constraints are exactly the same, right? So if we can draw a graph to visualize this better. So first of all, we'll be plotting the first line, x plus y equals to 1. So that will be a negatively sloped straight line with intercept 1 each. So this is your x plus y is equals to 1. Coming to the second one, which is x plus y equals to 2. So that will be again a negatively sloped straight line with an intercept of 2. Okay. And then we need to plot the y equals to x square. That will be a parabola, upward rising parabola. So this is your y equals to x square. So all points above this curve represent the y greater than x square, and all points below this line represents y less than x square. So given the region, this part over here is your S1 and this part below over here is your S2. So these are the sets that we are talking about that we want to prove whether it is a convex set or not. Now, if you recall the graphical definition of a convex set, the idea is basically if you take any 2 points in a set, then all convex combination of those 2 points should lie inside the set, right? That makes the set convex. So if you look at set S1 over here, this part, if you take any two random points from this set S1 and take a convex combination, that means draw a dotted straight line across the 2 points, that will always be lying inside that set. So that makes S1 a convex set. Okay. However, if you look at S2, if I can draw a rough sketch outside the graph, so the graph of S2 looks something like this. Correct? So that means, let's say, if you take any 2 points on these two regions and if you draw a dotted line, then this dotted line lies outside the set S2. So that means that set S1 is convex, whereas S2 is not convex. Okay. So if you match with the options, that is option B for you. S1 is convex set, but S2 is not a convex set. So the correct answer is option number B. Thank you.